let's jump to the timeline na, oh, wow, they're done with the exam and they're just
Mhm.
waiting for the results. So, kamusta yung waiting game for you, Jenna?
Um, ano ba? Wala, hustle while you wait. Yung last day of the board exam nung sa amin ay natapat siya either Wednesday or Thursday. So, the next day was a work day. And Marlo and I have already exhausted our leave credits. And we did not want to just stay at home naman and rest even when we were allowed. So, pumasok pa rin kami sa work.
Welcome to Mindset Magic with Mika, where we unlock clarity, courage, confidence, creativity, and connection so you can show up as your most expressed, most aligned, most unstoppable self. If you are ready to shift into your main character energy and design a life that feels as good as it looks, you're in the right place. I'm Mika Doria, your interior designer, your Mindset Magic Muse, branding goddess. Let's dive in.
And at the time, the energy was still very high. Parang hindi pa nagda-die down yung adrenaline. But, I don't know, just stay on a positive attitude, keep a sense of humor, celebrate. Because you have already done your part in the preparation. You showed up during the board exam. You sought divine help. And now is the time to trust that you will receive more of that, more of what you've asked now that it's done.
Yes. Grabe, really love that. And it makes me happy to hear it from you, Jen. Really, the way you articulate it. Yes. That is faith in action. And like, since all the intentions nga lined up, all the energy, and totoo yun, the biggest chunk is the preparation and the waiting game is just cherry on top.
Yes.
You would know eh, di ba? Like, there's that
Oh,
feeling eh, na, oh, I really believe na it's past na. Ganon. And when you found out na top one, kamusta yung moment na yun for you?
it was a high for some time. Masaya talaga. Everyone is cheering on you, congratulating you. Again, there's a spotlight that comes with the title. And um but um I think more so it provided insight on me about goal setting and teamwork because I usually work alone. I like working alone. Gusto ko yung dumidiskarte mag-isa.
I remember.
But yes, di ba? But because of the board exam, I was able to see that there's so much you can do when you allow other people to help you. So ganun siya. It's also a humbling experience in a way.
Mm-hmm. I like that. But and I remember na parang it's a similar theme for everyone also who pass and like top the board exam. Well, at least sa mga nakausap ko. Kasi for them, it's really about remembering na you're not alone in this.
Yes.
Na there are powers backing you up. There are people believing in you and you have yourself friend at the end of the day. So really like pull yourself together. So wow. Para sa mga lone wolf dyan. Recovering lone wolf. Yeah, there is power in company.
Exactly. Work in a team, guys.
Mm, work in a team. I'll call on kayo ng ano nyo, ng spiritual guides for extra support if you feel like you don't have a team yet.
Yes.
Mm-hmm. Oh, how was fate for you during that time, Jenna?
Sorry?
How did fate play a part sa
Okay.
board exam journey mo?
At the time, I was spiritually challenged at the time.
Mm.
So, yung strength ko nanggagaling sa it's very, I don't know, I would call it miraculous even maybe. Kasi yung mga times that I felt most powerful was when people were talking to me about Bible verses. They were sharing Bible verses with me. Malakas yung emotional empowerment, especially when people were telling me to have faith. And faith naman, it's correlated with perseverance. When you have faith, that's only when you will persevere. So you have to believe first talaga that you will get what you want before you can put yourself in a position where gagawin ko to because I believe I will get this.
Yeah.
Ganun siya.
Mhm. That's true. Kasi parang, yun yung hack rin eh, na when you have this faith, you can do anything you set your mind to. Mm-mm. Kasi it's infinite. Wow. Ah. So refreshing. Sana na-feel nyo rin yung refresh na yun for our listeners there. And huwag kayo ma-overwhelm. Our intention is for you to find and to hear most kung ano yung need nyo at this moment.
Even manifestation works as a
For
line of faith.
sure.
Ang ginawa ko noon for manifestation naman, hindi kasi ako gumamit ng mga Manila papers on the wall kapag sa review.
Yeah.
What I did was I have this whiteboard and then I wrote my name there the same way that it would be written kapag pinost na ng TRC
Yeah.
yung top 10 list. And then there was my name, 1, and then my name, and then the percentage that I wanted to get. But nakikita ko lang siya araw-araw. Nasa pader lang siya. And then I was surprised when yung grade na nilagay ko doon, it was my highest grade in the board exam. Hindi siya yung grade na nakuha ko overall, but it was
Yeah.
the highest grade in one of the subjects.
For the design portion.
It was the same number. I don't know why. But I
Ang galing.
believe that it is something about manifestation. Just because I was seeing it every single day, it happened.
Did anyone else know na ganun yung ginawa mo? Or ngayon mo lang na-share?
Yes, I shared it with my coworkers, but not
Yeah.
pa.
Mm-hmm.
Still have the photo of the whiteboard with my name in it.
Mm-hmm. And yes, that was manifestation in action. And nileverage niya yung subconscious mind. Unknowingly. Unknowingly. Yeah, kasi manifestation is really seeing it before you really, like experiencing it before you see it happen in real life. And yun yung nagagawa ng having your name placed on it and seeing it every day. Until it's imprinted on your mind na, oh, I can't tell the difference if it's real or not.
Oo.
Yeah,
Sobra.
ganun siya. Oo. So when the moment came na top 1 ka, it's like, yung subconscious, it went like, I know about this. I experienced this before. Parang ganun eh, di ba?
Oo, ganon. It's the same also as writing the goal, paulit-ulit on paper.
Yeah. See, this is the psychology behind it. Our 1-hour episode for this tip. Uy, pero totoo, like give yourself cues na you're gonna be successful at it because it does work. It does work. Wow. Okay, so parang yun yung daily habit na, is that the daily habit na you'd recommend to them or is there something else na you wanna recommend?
I recommend it. Lagay nyo na yung pangalan nyo dyan as pwedeng wallpaper ng laptop or whatever. Something that you can see every day.
Yes, and you still have time. Especially kapag nasa energy ka ng review, tapos in-amplify mo pa with this. It's gonna happen. Alright, so yun yung mga top-notch tips natin from Jenna, the top 1 from 2023, and the highest design portion daw na na-manifest niya. Let's shift sa idea na, oh, what if they finish taking the exam na and they're just waiting for their names there, manifesting na they pass. So, merong waiting game. And it can really be like nerve-wracking for some. So, for you, how did you navigate yung uncertainty ng waiting game na yun?
Honestly, it's a blur.
Mm.
My defense na I was sick. So after the 3 days were over, I was in bed.
And in the 20
I was
days in
just
between. Mm.
this was when I started reaching out to my friends. Because as what I shared earlier, I unintentionally isolated myself. This one I really started reaching out to my friends and to my family and to have some time together and to also think about the next chapter next chapter. To think about the
Oh,
next chapter of my life. Because interior design, this is just one chunk of my life. It's not interior design doesn't 100% define me. Like I'm other things aside from my career. Sa ganun. So I started thinking about other aspects of my life while waiting.
Super. Super important. Don't get lost in the process of reviewing for the listener. And like, your life doesn't revolve around the board exam. It may seem like it right now, especially when you're reviewing. Pero after it,
Mm-mm,
no, Jaylin, not really.
mm-mm.
Not really. It doesn't define
No,
you.
it doesn't define you at all.
Mm. Really just a
Yeah.
test of how prepared you are as a professional ID, right?
Oo. Well, I do see like the board exam as like one, yeah, validation, not for other people, but for yourself.
Mm.
And then two, I also see it like as a gift. Like you've studied that hard for 4 years, so you can
Oh, yeah.
think of it like as a gift for yourself, like a final gift for yourself in your academic life.
Mhm. Oh, the internal
Ganun.
validation. I like that. Kasi when you start, right? When you start attaching the meaning of the exam to external validation, that's when it gets more pressuring and overwhelming
Yeah,
talaga. Mhm.
yeah.
Wow. So see, these are the introvert. These are our introvert musings. This is our frequency. Oh, it's such a fresh take. Oh, it's the waiting period after the exam. How was your waiting period during that time? Did you know na you were gonna pass na? Is there a
No,
feeling? Oh,
Nika, you of all people. Like I was telling, 'di ba we have a GC na
yeah.
tayo-tayo lang. I felt like I was gonna fail, legit.
Oh my God.
I don't know, parang siyempre, well, for context, for the people who might be listening, we had our exam in a hotel. So some of our classmates, they booked in the hotel. So they were after the exam, they would go to their hotel room and then we would discuss minsan, 'di ba?
Yeah, yeah.
I don't know, when they were discussing their answers, I felt like iba talaga yung mga sagot ko. So I got really in my head na parang, "Oh my goodness, am I going to fail? I really don't know." And then wala, at the time I really felt like, hala, when they were discussing their answers, it's quite different from mine. And then I knew na for me kasi, I knew that hindi ako masyadong magaling sa design. I knew na yung pambawi ko will be through multiple choice. So it really rattled me. I really didn't think I was gonna pass na parang, hala, I told myself na babawi ako sa multiple choice part.
Mm.
And then iba-iba pala yung mga sinasagot nila versus what I wrote. So at the time, I didn't have an inkling na, oh, I feel like I'm gonna pass. Wala talaga. It was very, very unexpected na when they revealed na I passed at all.
Super interesting kasi some would say na they already know na they were gonna pass. Some knew
Right.
they knew they're gonna fail. Really that. I like that you're in the in-between. Really
I don't
uncertain.
know. This is very against your brand, Nika. Pero like, mindset talaga and like manifesting, mahina ako dun. Like, I really don't parang, oh, if I believe in it, it will happen. And obviously, manifestation is deeper than that. Pero
Yeah.
like, I really can't tell myself na, no, I can do it, I can do it. Kasi, I guess I'm too realistic na parang, well, there is a chance that I will fail. Let's just be honest and transparent about that.
I can see that. And the way na you also like gave yung strategies, I know I can see na it's really grounded and logical. Because of course, we need that also.
Yeah.
I like
It
that.
there's nothing wrong with hoping, pero like, siyempre when you do your best, there's always na, "Oh, I hope I pass, and I know I did my best." Siyempre there is a big chance that you will pass, and that's good, it's healthy na 'wag naman masyadong downer na, "Hala, feel ko babagsak ako." Pero kasi you also need to be realistic na there is a chance that you will fail. Kasi wala, there's so many factors apart
Yeah,
from you. It
factors.
could be maybe sobrang kabado ka na you can't focus, or baka yung test nagkataon na the items are the ones you didn't study for. So it's natural to be doubtful.
You're so neutral. Parang yun yung term.
Yeah.
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 It's a good place to be in, like when you're preparing for something big. Kasi 'di ba at
Mm.
least you're not too anxious and you're not too excited. You're just in the in between.
Mhm.
Wow, that's a skill. That's a skill by the way. So post-exam reflections. Kasi 'di ba after na
Mm.
okay, nakalagpas na sila ng pag-take ng exam. The next is the waiting game.
Oh, I think it.
How
Okay.
did you handle that uncertainty? Ish, ng week
Okay.
na yun. Hmm.
All right. I think it's gonna be may parang iba na naman ata yung answer ko, pero the next 20 days, for me, there was
Oh,
no uncertainty. Like, I
I
knew I would
love it.
pass. Sorry. Parang the next 20 days, 20-ish days talaga after the exam, parang it was really just me relaxing and trying to get back my old life. Kasi I knew I would pass. Parang nawala na yun sa worries ko na hindi ako makakapasa. So parang I didn't really feel anxious after ng exam. Kasi I believe na with the training that we had, with all the mentorship, parang I knew na kakayanin. So, ayan, parang you would feel it din eh. Parang based din sa other testimonies na narinig ko. Parang when you know it when you would pass the exam. So I guess that's what
Mm.
really helped me then to not worry over it. And actually kasi before ng exam, gusto ko na lang siyang matapos kasi I wanted my old life so back. I wanted my old
Hmm.
life back talaga. So ayun, parang if I would give that time pa for boards, edi ako na naman yung talo. Ako na naman yung walang oras sa sarili. Kaya, ayun, parang pliname ko na. Ako na to, guys. Makakapasa ako. Period. Ganyan.
Ang galing. Kasi feel ko naka-affect rin yun sa ano, sa even sa pag-check na ng mga 'di ba? Kasi if
Mm-mm.
ikaw confident ka na in the waiting game, how much more yung work
Yes.
pala na tinurn in mo dun. So,
Mm-mm.
grabe.
Ayun. So, guys, do your best talaga. Parang ibigay nyo na yung lahat nyo before the exam para after you wouldn't worry so much.
Oh, ang ganda nun.
And I
Tas yung
hope
waiting
you're,
game niyo. Oo.
I hope you're you're learning from Ate Mika and like us na yung mga strategies na ma-apply sila like in your review on the design day, ganyan.
Mhm. For sure. And actually, 'wag lang kayo matuwa sa naririnig niyo, like apply them.
Oo, yes.
It's all fun until you start implementing. And yun yung gusto namin i-support. Curious ako,
Yes.
Yuki,
We're just
like
here,
ano,
guys. Yeah.
ayun, curious ako na even after siyempre topping, 1 na, may tataas pa ba sa 1? Yung logo ng PRC maybe. Pero curious ako na looking back ba, is there something na you still wish you did differently sa review process mo?
Mm,
Mhm.
I think that would be starting early. Ayun na nga,
Hmm.
parang sa sobrang busy ko with work, nakapag-start ako after na ng Holy Week, parang 3 months na lang ata yun or less. So, I knew I had little time to cover all. Um,
all materials, all the topics ng ACADS part. So, syempre, hindi maiiwasan na I had to sacrifice more time na from when I committed talaga na, okay, since medyo nag-slack off ako sa months before, ito na, parang I need to pay for it. So, mas draining siya on my part, like physically and mentally. And if I started earlier, edi I would have covered more topics. And siguro hindi ako magpupuyat the week before the exam. So I think that's it. And parang everything else naman, I think, although may mga setbacks din with other aspects, I think they're meant to be that way. Parang I wouldn't have them change
Yeah.
naman. Yun lang talaga, starting early and as much as I can.
As early as naisip nyo na magbo-board exam kayo.
Yes.
Mag-review na kayo.
Oo. Ayun, parang sana nag-start sila last year, no? Or like January, ganyan. Yun natin yung best time.
Oo, may fantasy rin ako dun eh, na parang, nga, what if 1 year nagre-review? So, nag-break ako. Yun yung
Okay.
review.
Yun na, oo, tama.
Yeah, it helps. Totoo yan. Time is your friend. Time can be your friend. Wow. How did you stay grounded while waiting for the results?
Oh my God, ground, like after exam na to.
Oo, na syempre nandun pa rin yung nerves, 'di ba? Na wait lang, tama ba? Tama ba nabasa ko? Ginawa ko ba yung tama? Ganun.
Oh my God. Okay, so after exam, parang the wait was like, it was an agony. Wow, it was an agony. Parang for me, no, nahihirapan akong i-ano siya, i-digest. Parang mas lumala yung laban sa utak ko na parang hindi mo naman nasagot ng maayos eh. Parang hindi ka naman papasa. Parang hindi ka naman magtatap ano. Parang ganon. So it was a constant battle between those. Pero, at dahil top 1 energy nga tayo, parang,
Yeah.
true din naman. Pero babasahin ko ulit speech ko. Wait lang, magpa-practice na
Oh
ako.
my God, I love it!
Practice na lang ako. Bahala kayo dyan. Parang ganon. It made the pain like go away. Ganon. Aside from that, no, talagang nagliwaliw ako. Parang after the exam, whatever the result, whatever happens, this is my next step sa buhay. Parang I got to play more of my video games after. Parang, yes, nakabalik na ako sa tulog ko. It was like
Regular programming.
back to my regular programming. So, yun, parang laban on the side, pero at the same time, pinapamper ko na yung sarili ko.
Oh, I love it.
Parang picking up the things that I left hanging before yung exam. Kasi ang daming nag-stop eh. During the review, parang hindi na ako masyadong lumabas with friends. Yung eating habits ko medyo weird. Ayun. Tapos yung mga games na nilalaro ko, hindi ko na nalaro. So, binalikan ko lahat yun. Just to like stop the doubt. Yun.
Parang Marlo, detachment talaga. Tapos
Yeah.
I remember na right after ng exam, like nagtanong si Marlo nun, basta nililigpit namin yung niya, yung organizer niya nun. Basta, hindi ko namin naalala mo. Tapos sabi niya, Mika, so anong like, paano ba mapunta sa state na alam mo na napasado ka na? Like, anong itsura nun? Naalala mo ba? Parang may ganun
God, parang
question.
nag-call ba tayo nito?
Hindi, like right after yun. Nung last day, tapos tayo. Tapos parang I remember talking to Marlon noon. Tapos parang pinag-usapan lang namin na, okay, edi balik lang tayo sa ginagawa natin before all this happened. Di ba? Parang gano'n.
Kaya ko yun ginawa. Kaya pala.
Alright,
Hindi ko pala nakuha yun.
right after yun. Basta I remember.
I did it immediately. Like, lahat ng mga di ko kinain nung...
Oh my God, Marlon, kinilabutan ako. Oh.
Chinese. Like, para revenge, nag-revenge hobbies talaga ako. Dami kong pinanood na movies na series na iniis ko.
Bawi talaga no?
Bawi.
Pero parang, ba yun? Like 1 month ba before the results came out?
I think it was like 3 weeks.
3 weeks. O yun. So, tagal rin.
Yeah. And habang papalapit na, alam kasi namin yung date because yung mga previous exams, parang may average.
May pattern. Oo.
So parang, ito yung pinakamaaga na date na pwede nilang i-release yung exam. So habang lumalapit siya dun sa date na yon, mas lumalala yung kaba. Malala, sunod malala. Ayun. Pero it's the kaba na parang excited. For me,
Mm.
although may doubts, I'm still excited about the results. Parang,
Tan-
ini-aim ko na parang, may top ako dito. Hindi na siya sa passing. Like, I know I was gonna
Oh
pass.
my
By the way,
God.
sa mga mag-e-exam pa lang, merong weird, like, I asked all those board exam passers na, alam niyo ba napapasa kayo? And yung answers nila across different professions is yes. Alam nila kung papasa sila or hindi based dun sa performance.
Performance sila. Mm.
Ayun. So,
Ang
sabi ko,
galing.
okay. So, top 1 na. Mag-aaral na ulit ako ng speech ko.
Grabe, sobrang tibay ng evidence na yun, no? For you na, okay, may speech na ako eh. So, talagang pasado. Rank na lang aabangan, no?
Talagang ganun ako kasi dito mag-top 1, guys. Like, malala.
Kaya talaga, guys, kaya
Di ba?
talaga. See? See? Wow. I know.
So, ayan. So, really, tap yourself at the back. Parang, magta-top din ako. Kinaya niya, di marunong mag-drawing, magta-top ako.
What if this year yung longest list ng top 10 ng
Right.
IDL? Yeah.
Di ba?
Yes.
So, I
What
remember
if?
lang, by the way, kasi, parang iniisip ng mga tao kapag top 10, yung pag nasa top, parang naglalaban-laban sila. Parang may feeling na ganun. Parang, oh, I'm higher than you. Oh,
Talaga?
lower than you. Parang may ganung feeling. Tapos I just wanna
Debunk.
know na parang, hindi guys, pare-pareho lang pa rin naman kayong interior design at the end. Parang ganon. So, whenever may mga tao nung batch namin na kulang sa review, talagang I do my best na parang, tara, tulungan kita. Anong kailangan mo? What resource do you need?
Very classic Marlo, guys.
Parang ganon. Kasi parang everyone's goal naman is to pass.
Mhm.
Tapos parang aside from siguro sa school siguro, baka gusto nila yung highest topping rate sa school. Ay, hindi naman ito labanan, guys. So let's help each other out then if you have batchmates na kailangan na tulong. If you yourself need help, huwag kayong maging guilty na humingi ng tulong sa iba dahil, baka nagbayad to ng mahal sa review center, so share niya yung notes niya sa akin. Hindi, parang go lang.
Mm. Kasi, like, you just have to ask. And if ibibigay nila, edi go. Oh, well, we also have this. So you also get, like, free access to, like, top-notcher things, passer psychology, di ba? So,
Yeah.
guys, like, share it. Kasi, like, babalik rin sa inyo yan.
And ang sarap sa feeling na
Ang
lahat
sarap
ng,
sa feeling.
like, sa circle mo is nag-i-aim na pumasa. Like, legit, everyone's like hustling to pass. And that energy just drives you up na parang, okay, ako din, tama. Parang nagkakahawaan na kayo ng top-notcher energy.
Oh,
Sana
totoo.
makultivate nyo yan sa mga study groups nyo. If wala pa kayong study group, hanap talaga kayo. Kasi sobrang lakas ng collective power ng everyone. Sharing resources, sharing information, sharing like goals, desires, and everything. Nakaka-uplift. And I would say na yung ideal e-journey ko, like topping the boards, wasn't solely me. It's always the people around me. I really attributed to those people beside me during those times. Like si Jana, siya yung nagturo talaga sa akin mag-drawing. Yan, si Namika nagbigay rin ng tips. Like yung batchmates namin, we shared each information. And wow, ang laking tulong. Kumpara sa kung ako lang, mag-aaral lang ako on my own. Tapos yun na, sobrang layo ng gap between.
Tapos guys, like imagine, syempre yung magiging study group nyo, sila rin yung mag-fill in ng iba yung gaps, like what happened with Marlo. Diba? And like, you can also share yung strengths nyo sa kanila. So you're all like balancing it out. Diba? Ang galing.
Yeah, ang galing kasi,
Maximize.
si Jenna kasi, Jenna's top 1, Jenna de Guzman, search you guys. Top 1 yan, nung batch ko. So, siya yung top 1, ako yung top 1. Kami yung study buddies nung batch namin. So, Jenna's weakness was academics, which I am yung strength ko.
Oh,
Then,
yeah.
my weakness naman was drawing, which is her strength. Like, oh my God, malayo siya sa drawing. So kapag pareho kaming nagmo-mock boards ng interior design, like, meron kaming healthy pressure between ourselves. Parang, since
Maganda.
mabilis ako sa drafting, binibilisan niya din. Parang, oh my God, nandun na sa sheet na to si Marlo. Bibilis ako rin. Parang, puntahan ko doon. Tapos kapag naman nakikita ko yung sulat niya, ang ganda. Parang, ang ganda ng sulat niya. Sige nga, kopyahin ko. Tapos sa rendering, like, ang ganda ng color scheme niya and how she presents her board. Might as well, like,
Wow. Mhm.
improve mine. Para tumataas yung standards. And
Mhm.
nagkakaroon ka ng healthy competition. Na parang you want to, like, also have that. Diba? So,
Totoo.
na-hone yung skills namin both.
Yeah, so it's like yung parang kailangan competition na, 'di ba usually sa Filipinos, they'd be like jealous, gano'n, or like
Parang,
insecure. Pero
sama,
kayo,
hindi. Parang,
leverage nyo. Gusto niya
oo,
pumasa parehas eh.
oo. It's fun. It's fun that way.
Mm. So you know na guys, sa inyong mga pairings, sa inyong study buddies, this is the tool. Para rin na silang may container where they can improve, and at least yung kasama mo, make sure na really willing to support you rin. And I'm sure na lahat naman kayo dyan.
Yes.
That's a wrap for today's episode. I hope these insights gave you clarity, courage, confidence, and peace as you prepare for your own board exam journey. Until next time, trust yourself, take up space, and keep going. You got this. You are the main character of your life. If this episode sparked something in you, share it with a friend or tag me at Mikadaria on Instagram. I'd love to see how you're stepping into your magic. And if you're loving the podcast, please leave a review. It helps more visionaries, achievers, and creatives like you find this space. And as always, let's shift into our main character energy together. Keep shining, keep creating, and I'll see you in the next one.